Hello, good day to you. Please come closer. You want to buy a house as an individual or with your spouse as a couple, but the problem is you have a budget that is way below the current market price and you've been hunting for some time. What if I'm giving you an idea of what to do and giving you the good advice to that for that matter? My name is Ogbeni Bode Adeniji, and if it is your first time on this channel, I'm happy to receive you, and I want to request that you click on the subscribe button and as well tap the notification bell so that you get to know whenever we are dropping any of our periodic free content on this channel, right? So, like I said, your concern is about budget. You've been hunting for a house, particularly in Lagos, Nigeria, but you've not gotten what you like. But when you found the one you like, it is way below your budget, and you keep on hunting for some time. Maybe as an individual, or as a spouse, or with your spouse as a couple. Now, I would advise that you go for off-plan project. What about that? Meaning that you look for a credible property development company that will be ready to take initial deposit of your payment while you spread your balance, and they'll give you something nice compared to the already finished one that you have done, that you won't be able to see any difference. So it's my pleasure, ladies and gentlemen, to introduce you to Meridian Boulevard Estate at Okun, Ajah, behind the much talked about Adesanya Estate. I can tell you a brief history about this estate. This estate started about 3 years ago, and then a plot of land was selling for 20 million naira. As we speak now, a plot of land inside Meridian Boulevard Estate now sells for 50 million naira. I mean, what a better news can a property investor want to hear about where you invested just a plot of land between 3 years ago, and has grown from 20 to 50 million naira. Do the mathematics to know the percentage. So in this video, I'll be showing you the unit we have in this estate. And in the unit we have in this estate, we have the 2 to 4 bedroom terrace. Then we have 3 to 4 bedroom semi-detached, and we as well have 4 bedroom fully detached units in this estate. So I have seen houses, and I'm here to talk about them everywhere I go. I have seen developer that got it right, and I've also seen the one that got it right, even up to finishing. And that is the case here at Meridian Boulevard Estate, ladies and gentlemen. They're talking about facility. Right here we have swimming pool. We have a gym facility for you as residents. You can play lawn tennis. You can play every other sport here using the facility within the estate. And this is also an estate where you are promised water and light constant. So these are the lineup of the 3 bedroom terrace, one of their kind in the industry. Talking about structure and positioning, the finishing is also superb. So in this video, I will just like to show you the 3 bedroom terrace. The 3 bedroom terrace. Just show you a unit here. Pardon me, it's not powered, but because I can't wait, I just have to show you to let you know about it, tell you the price, and see how we can make it possible for you. So if you don't mind, please come with me and let's see what we have here at Meridian Boulevard Estate, the 3 bedroom terrace. Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. So this is the living space. I don't want to rush this video. I want to pay attention to the details up to the finishing. It's not powered, but I wish you could feel the wall like I'm touching it to see how much work has been done on this project. You can see the POP, the LED light, the inbuilt speaker, value for money if you ask me. Then over there we have the visitors toilet where they can, ease themselves, wash their hands because COVID-19 is still much around. So right here is the kitchen. Please note that this project is not completed. This is one of our clients' projects, but because I can't wait, I just have to show you some of these projects. So here we have the cabinetry, which will be delivered with the cabinetry, heat extractor, oven, microwave, gas burner, and the rest of them. Then the BQ is somewhere back here. Of course, we have the pantry to store your foodstuffs. So we make our way upstairs to see the 3 rooms we have upstairs. So then the staircase. As you are watching this video, please pay attention to the finishing. Then you can confirm what I've told you. But of course, note that it's not been cleaned and it's not completed yet. So this is a family lounge here. This 3 bedroom terrace is a family lounge. You have your TV here. You have your sofa here. Art graphic work. Then let's see the first room upstairs. All the rooms are en suite. It's not powered. Bear with me. I can't wait to have to show you. So the room is en suite. The cupboard is there. So see the sanitary, right? Top quality, right? Then we go to the second room. Let's go to the second room here. Second room, right? So, all right. Second room, upstairs, 3-bedroom terrace. By the time you see the 4-bedroom, of course you appreciate it more, because of course they are not of the same price. So it comes with this, comes with a toilet and bath. So let's then go to the master's bedroom. Master's bedroom, here we come. Master's bedroom here. Master's bedroom here. So there's a feeling that comes with master's bedroom. Some call it primary bedroom, whichever way. Master bedroom, primary bedroom. Stuff for the master, madam and Oga at the top. Then this is the walk-in closet. It comes with this, right? You have all of this delivered with it. Your shoes here, if you're like me, I like shoes. You know, I think you have enough space for shoes. Then right into the toilet and bath for Oga and Madam. So let's check it up. Let's check it out. So you have the wash hand basin. I mean, it's good. So as for the price of this unit, I will tell you is 60 million naira. Then you can of course check the caption for other unit prices. So, but this is 60 million naira as we do this video, as we speak. So, which is subject to upward review, because when we started, this project was not selling for 60 million naira. But as we make progress, selling for 60 million naira. And you know, some did initial deposits, and right within the year of subscription, the price is appreciating. And so, this is the balcony. So, imagine in the evening, my wife and I will put our chairs here. I'm reading newspaper, my children are around, or grandchildren if you are a grandpa. So this is the balcony, my neighbors are here. Hello, my neighbor. In the evening, I want to play games. In the morning, I want to go to gym to relax. Or in the evening, I want to swim. Everything is available. Water and light promised. Location perfect. Then I want to hang out with family and friends at the beach. We have different beaches back here. Talk about the likes of Barracuda Beach, Attican Beach, and the host of others that are so numerous to mention. So I'm doing this video with excitement because I know that I'm helping you to solve a problem. And that, of course, you get in touch with me and my team. Let's make it happen for you here. You can spread your balance here for 24 months. That is if you cannot do outright. With initial deposits of 20%, you can join the family of people, subscribers that have subscribed into Meridian Boulevard Estate, Okun, Ajah, behind the much talked about Adesanya Estate. So until I hear from you, I want to say thank you to you. And if you're first time, please do well to subscribe, tap the notification bell so that we can give you more content like this. Let you see areas in Lagos, Nigeria and its environs where you should be investing. And if you are a returning subscriber, please, I'm saying thank you to you, giving us reason why we should continue to be on this channel. So thank you and bye-bye.